Hello guys, this is Miss Jocelyn Flamenco and today we're going to learn how to use present continuous for future or present progressive. Let's start. We use present continuous to talk about future actions that are already foreseen or planned. In this case, we have to use some adverbs or time expressions like tonight, tomorrow, next year, next week, next month, at 5 o'clock. And we have here one example. What are you doing next summer? I am meeting him at the airport tomorrow at 9 o'clock. If you notice, guys, we have the present continuous. We have the subject plus the verb to be plus the verb with ing. And we know that this sentence is not just a present continuous tense because we have here the time expression tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So this means that this sentence is a future sentence. Here we have another example. I am leaving Tokyo tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. Here we have the present continuous sentence plus the time expressions. Also, we use present continuous when we have already decided and arranged to do something. For example, what are you doing on Saturday evening? Not what you do. I am going to a theater. Not I am go. What time Sherry is arriving tomorrow? 10:30. I am meeting her at the station. So, if we notice, we use present continuous for things that we already decided and are arranged. For example, as a schedule. We have also the present continuous for action just before you begin to do it, like this. I am tired. I am going to bed. Good night. Tina, are you ready yet? Yes, I'm coming. And finally, we use the present continuous for personal commitments that have previously planned for which preparation have already been made. For example, buying tickets, reserving seats, or making appointments. Like this example, James' team are playing an important match next week, so it is already fixed. I am seeing them after the conference. I have an appointment with them, so are already planned. So guys, this is the use of present continuous for future. Let's practice the exercise uploaded on Classroom. Bye.